Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 18th, and not all of my pepper seedlings were ready to be transplanted when we transplanted the last one, so we're doing some more today. And I noticed on one of my hot peppers here that we have a bud forming on it to bloom. Now, we do not want our peppers to bloom inside because it will stop the root production, the plant will stop growing, and we don't want that. So what I'm actually going to do, and this plant is tall enough to do this, is I am going to pinch, if you can see here, I have my two leaves here, and I'm just going to pinch this center piece right out of there. And that's also going to make this plant bushier now. So this is what I took off right here, because I don't want this thing to bloom. And even when you go to buy your plants, like in at the nurseries or the big box centers, you don't want your plants blooming when you buy them, because they're going to be focused more on blooming than on the root growth production. So I wanted to tell you that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.